Hey guys, we just want to give you a little tutorial on how to really eat a
Candy corn.
candy corn. I almost forgot what it was called for a second. So, what do you do? What do you guys do? How do you eat your candy corn?
I do it like this. White part, yellow part,
Oh, yellow.
then orange.
And then orange. So this is how I do it.
Or if you
I do
got
it
these,
White.
You got these,
Oh, the brown in them.
you got these
Orange.
ones, you do orange then brown.
So I do the white, and then orange, and then yellow. How do you do it?
I break off the white part. I
Right.
eat it. I basically just like break off the little pieces.
Or
actually kind
you
of
could just do this.
Those are fun.
Anyways, happy Halloween.
Wait,
What?
if you have these,
Oh, if you have a pumpkin? What do you do with the pumpkin?
I cut it. I cut it with like a plastic knife because it cuts so easily. It's not hard. I cut off the green part, take off that part, and I like basically eat the two parts that I cut off, and I eat the middle part.
Wow. Or you just,
Well, that's no fun.
it's not.
No, it's not fun if you just.
Anyways, have fun eating candy corns
Bye.
for Halloween. Toodles.
Bye.
Bye.
Now.